back to Splendour by Pinewood Homes. It's time to pop some champagne and celebrate as we're here today for the first preview of our multi-generational single-family detached houses, which are perfect for everybody.
3 homes in 1. This is so amazing and the first of its kind. That's right, our never-before-done floor plans are ready for you now. With private level living, these multi-gen homes come with a full kitchen, laundry, living and dining space on every level. And yes, of course, bedrooms on every level as well. This has it all.
These homes are intimate yet integrated perfectly. Self-serving layouts allow for spacious living areas for everybody. Whether it's family or friends living collectively, at-home office needs, or in-home care, these multi-generational homes check all of the boxes for affordable living solutions and styles in the new Niagara.
With private interior doors separating the foyer and mudroom from the main level, this first house of your multi-gen home is the perfect space to call your own.
In addition to our grand double front door entries, we've added an exterior side entry and 2 garage entry points into the home. We've designed these houses to keep everyone's movement separate from the rest of the home, while still accessible for gatherings at each level, maximizing privacy while still utilizing every inch of the living space.
On the second level of the Allure, a spacious living room with grand windows greet the homeowner as they open their private entry door.
We are now open every Saturday and Sunday from 2 to 4 p.m. for open houses, or reach out to me directly for a private one-on-one walkthrough. We'd love to see you here.